Hey everybody, it's Shelly and Brandon. We're with Shelly Patterson Homes and Keller Williams Bluegrass, and we're here today with Darren Bronski at Bank of England.
Hi guys.
He is our preferred lender, and we want to let him tell you a little bit about the lending process because that seems to be a scary piece of the puzzle, so we want to make it a little less scary for you guys.
Before you get too deep into this, though, Darren, I got to know. So, Bank of England, the name,
Yes.
is this like London, England, or is this, where's
So,
the name come from?
okay.
Just out of curiosity.
So London, Kentucky, Versailles, Kentucky, Paris, Kentucky, all those Kentuckys. Well, the Bank of England was formed in England, Arkansas, which is a suburb of Little Rock.
Okay, I got you. I feel a little bit better now.
We were founded by farmers in 1898. We're a full-service bank, again based out of England, Arkansas. Our corporate headquarters is now in Little Rock. I've been associated with the bank since 2015. We have about 130 offices nationwide, so we lend in all 50 states as well.
So when should people, I guess in the process of lending, they're looking at homes, they're starting to go online and look, they've reached out to us and they're starting to browse around.
Yeah.
When should they call you to start looking at the loan process?
The first thing they need to do is call me. I want to make sure that they have the confidence, and you as realtors have the confidence to go out and look for homes for them, knowing exactly what they can afford, and really base everything on certain options that maybe I can provide. What is the best option for them? I mean, we do that. We do our due diligence up front.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the due diligence?
Okay. I really kind of get an idea, get to know them, like, okay, are you married? You have children?
Right.
What stage in life are they at this point? That helps me determine, okay, what fits them the best.
Right.
And then I take that information and really try to provide as many viable options as possible. So I say this all the time. Somebody comes to me and says, well, I've got 10% to put down. That's great, but is that really the best situation for you?
So why should people call you here in Lexington, Kentucky versus going online and clicking on the pre-approval?
So when they get information online, whether it's clicking on it to get pre-approved, the first thing that they see is they just see a payment. Well, when they come to me and I'm like, okay, have you thought about taxes? What about your insurance?
Right.
What about mortgage insurance? What about this program or that program?
Right.
So it's very misleading. So what they think the payment's going to be on $150,000 or $200,000 is probably not very accurate.
And you're just not going to get that level of service again. Going online, every
Yes.
page you go on to, there's
Right.
banner ads. Here, click here to get pre-approved. Click here for these payments. But Darren actually does put in the due diligence and the work, pretty much the whole process as well.
Yes.
It's not just getting the pre-approval, but as we've seen with clients that we've sent to you, I mean, you basically walk them through the whole process.
Yes. I'm here locally, and being accessible is another, especially because you guys are out on Saturdays and Sundays.
Right.
And,
Exactly.
this market is crazy, so I want to be accessible to make sure when they're putting an offer, they know exactly what we're looking at.
And Darren, you want to tell people how to get in touch
Sure.
with you here at the office and
Absolutely.
how to best contact you?
The easiest way to contact me is to call or text me at 859-492-4221. You can also email me at dbronski@boemortgage.com.
So that's why Darren is our preferred lender and is on our list of preferred lenders. But for all your real estate needs, please don't hesitate to call Brandon or I, 859-806-0921.